Munsubong, a peak in Bukhansan mountain, is visible from my office building. I wondered if looking down from there might make my everyday life feel a little lighter. On a weekend afternoon, when the clouds are as tangled as my thoughts, I headed to Munsubong. One of Korea's charms is that you can view almost any city from a nearby mountain. In Seoul, the heart of the downtown can be seen from an altitude of 700-800 meters. On the ridge leading to Munsubong is a peak called Bibong. It is named Bibong because of the stone monument located on top. Bi means stone monument and Bong means peak. It is somewhat challenging to climb the rocky peak, but not too difficult to manage. The stone monument dates back to the 7th century, about 1,400 years ago. It is said that King Jinung of Shilla erected it after conquering this region and surveying the land. Perhaps 1,400 years ago, King Jinung stood in this very spot. He must have felt great pride as a victor, gazing upon his newly conquered territory. But now I can see something the conqueror never could, the cityscape of Seoul. I can even enjoy the night view. Today I plan to stay, watch the city lights. One autumn day many years ago, during my college days, I made plans with a friend to meet at 8 p.m. on Baegundae, the highest peak of Bukhansan. There wasn't any special reason. I just wanted to do something out of the ordinary. Climbing alone in the evening, Bukhansan was nothing like I had imagined. In some spots under the rocks, candles flickered, lit by shamans. Far in the distance, someone on a peak was crying out with his whole body, desperately seeking Christ. The flickering candles lit unattended altars, while the man's desperate screams echoed in the pitch-dark mountain. It was eerie. My friend didn't show up. When I asked him why later, he said he thought I was joking. After waiting for 30 minutes, I retraced my steps down the unsettling path. Perhaps my preference for neighboring Dobongsan over Bukhansan was because of that spooky experience. But now such religious activities are forbidden in the Bukhansan National Park, so I can stay late without worry. I reached Munsubong as the sun begins to set. It's the time when the lights in Seoul starts to twinkle on. Life isn't always a battle, but we live with an undercurrent of anxiety, trying to survive the battles that do arise. Those countless twinkling lights below must be the result of just as many victories and defeats, survival and elimination. A city striving for gain and survival. Yet, standing atop Munsubong, I couldn't even locate my office building. What feels so significant to me is only a tiny dot among those countless lights. Though I'll soon have to make my way down the dark mountain path, the altitude 727 is peaceful.